Hey, good morning, you guys. Happy Monday. On this week, we're gonna be starting with this Golf R right here. Current color is red, as you guys can see, with the gloss black roof and some nice black wheels. The car is it's looking pretty clean, but we're gonna be changing the color to a Sandstorm from APA. The color is actually coming in tomorrow. So for today, we're gonna be I'm gonna be pulling the car out. I'm gonna go ahead and take some nice photos for you guys for the before pictures, and then I'm gonna bring it back in. I'm gonna go ahead and start dismantling it and start cleaning it. That way for tomorrow it's nicely prepped up and it's ready for when the material gets here. You just jump on the car, start wrapping, probably start doing some time lapses for you guys. That way you guys can see the progress on this car and see the behind the scenes. So to start off with, I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the Tesla that's back there, get it out, park it in the front. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the Golf R out, and then I'm gonna go around the corner where we always go to do our photo shoot. Then I'm gonna bring it back in, Golf R. I'm gonna start dismantling it and cleaning it. That way when the material arrives here tomorrow, we're able to start the process of the wrap. And also, I'm gonna be making more videos for you guys, so most likely I'm gonna do a time lapse of the entire wrap on this Golf R. I'm really excited for this, especially because I'm a Euro fan, so let's see what we can do with this. Hey you guys, so I just pulled out the Golf R. I'm gonna go take it for some photo shoot real quick. I gotta close up the shop. Look how clean, look how big it is now. Soon to be all painted. This is gonna take all time. These color swatches are gonna go in our showroom that we have out front. And then yeah, cleaned it up pretty nicely yesterday with my wife and our best friend. So looks good. So yeah, I'm gonna lock it up. I'm gonna take out the Golf R for a spin. I wish for some photo shoot. All right, you guys, it's time to go for the photo shoot. So stay tuned. We're taking the Golf R for the photo shoot. All right, you guys just got here for the photo shoot. What you guys think of this spot? Alright, so I just finished taking the pictures. Super hot. Check them out. Got some nicer ones too. I like this. It's a cool picture right here too. But yeah, anywho, it's super hot. Gonna head back to the shop now. I'm gonna go ahead and take some videos for you guys of dismantling the car. But prior to that, I'm gonna go ahead and upload the videos, upload the photos, and upload the video from yesterday from the Mustang. So if you guys haven't seen that yet, it's already up on the YouTube. So go ahead and check it out. The racing stripes on that Mustang.